Over to you, Lakshmi ma'am. Over to you, Lakshmi ma'am.
Over to you, Lakshmi.
Over to you, Sudhi sir.
First, start with a positive news.
I think we'll start with Neha Bisht.
Let me start.
Have you spoken already?
So, good evening, everyone.
Let me start. Yeah, tell us. Who are you grateful about?
For my parents, and secondly the Skylark family.
Grateful to my mother because she's always there for me.
My parents, my brother, grateful to my Harbinder ma'am.
To my parents, my teachers.
Parents, because they come in a permanent category.
जो लोग थैंकफुल होते हैं, जो ग्रेटफुल होते हैं, वो हमेशा सक्सेस पाते हैं एंड दैट इज अ प्रूवन फैक्ट. हर रोज सुबह उठ के थैंकफुल होना चाहिए. ग्रेटफुलनेस विल ऑलवेज टेक यू अ लॉन्ग वे. Time is one thing which never waits for anybody. We can take forward memories, we can take forward learnings, we can take forward experiences, but not time. टाइम मैनेजमेंट. अरे यार टाइम ही नहीं है, चाय पीने का टाइम नहीं है. जब देखो ये लोग टाइम पे होते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव लर्न्ड द आर्ट ऑफ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. वी आर ऑल बिजी बट वी आर नॉट प्रोडक्टिव. हमारा टाइम कहाँ जाता है हमें पता ही नहीं चलता ना. द वे यू वैल्यू मनी, दैट इज द वे यू हैव टू वैल्यू टाइम. हैव अ नो फोन जोन. नेक्स्ट इज Netflix. Sleep for 7 hours a day. Get an alarm clock. Wake up early in the morning. Beat the sun up. Mindfulness. Early morning is your power hour. Second, eat that frog. Limit the time on social media. External notifications. Mobile phone stoppers. To-do list for tomorrow.
Click a selfie and send it to your friends, to your family, and show them that how you are learning, which are going to add value in your life.
I have clicked it myself.
So, I've taken a selfie after many, many years. Positive news, India aviation industry is looking very positive. The hotel occupancy has increased quite a well. India plans to lift cap on flights. India to introduce COVID-19 vaccination certificate for tourists. Next news is about the hotels and the cruises.
If you are not implementing to what you are listening, there is no point of us telling you all these things. Because why we are telling you all these things is because we want you to understand the importance and how it can impact your life, how it can really make a difference in your life. You don't know how many people may depend on your life tomorrow. The pencil always have two aspects. Wooden case, very colorful and very nice looking. The other is the lead which is inside. One is the outside, which is our personality, about being a genuine, a sincere, a truly nice person. What looks outside is always beautiful. They see what car are you driving. They see the great value in the houses we live, but they don't see who we are. Judges you from the things which they see outside. And we are only accepted on the face value of what people see us. Outside is all about the valuable. The inside is more about the lies. Unless what is within you comes out, you cannot make an impact. If we don't have the best coming from inside, we cannot also make an impact on anybody. The third lesson is, unless you go through the sharpening, what is inside you will not come out. The pencil has to go through a lot of pain. Only then the sharp lead comes out, which makes a good impact. When you will write, you will certainly end up making mistakes. Pencil has attached an eraser on the back. It can rub the mistakes, write again. Now the same thing happens in our life.
What you are going to take away from today?
Would be the time is equal to money. How to calculate and audit time.
There is a hard covering and lead inside the pencil. So we can't judge the people by their appearance.
No phone zone. When we have to lunch or dinner.
Was indeed a great session. Good care of yourself, students. Keep smiling and be positive always. Thank you so much.